Cool. All right, good to go. So, what's the first question? So, tell us a little bit about yourself before meeting Infinite Wealth. What did your financial future look like?
So before meeting Infinite Wealth, I just started my dream career and had been making more money than I'd made in my life, but didn't really have any direction long term in what I was going to do with that money. So, meeting Infinite Wealth really, I'm getting lost in it.
No, that's fine.
Meeting Infinite sort of, set me on the path to be able to not have to worry about where I was investing, and it took a lot of the guesswork out of it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Got it. All good, mate. I like it. Remember, we can cut stuff out, so it's fine.
Yeah, sweet.
What changed when you met Tim and Infinite? Sorry, I'll start that again. So, what changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
So meeting Tim and the team, just really, how can I sort of say this? It really just provided me a lot more confidence in investing. So when I had sort of no idea where to start before, Infinite really showed sort of the way how things should be done, and took a lot of the guesswork out of investing, and really sort of taught me along the way as well. Didn't just put things in place. They took the time to show me things, which was really good, and I really appreciated that.
Yeah, cool, awesome. What is your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client? What has been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client? Sorry.
Some experience. So I've only been with Infinite for 12 months, but so I'm 25 years old, and I've already got my first investment property. I'm pretty happy with that. We're in a pretty fortunate position there. So I'm sort of glad that I bumped into Infinite when I did. It's sort of what can I say here? The future.
That's right.
You don't answer all the questions in one.
No, that goes into my next question, mate. So how does your financial future look like now?
Yeah, financial future is looking much more positive than it was 12 months ago. It's got clear direction now. It's what can I say?
Yeah, that's pretty much it, right? That's what you need to say.
Oh, that's it? Okay. Yeah, sweet.
Cool. Last one, mate. Would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your family and friends? And if yes, why?
Yeah, I would recommend Infinite to family and friends, and the biggest part of it is the confidence that it just gives you in investing. You become so much more confident with someone like Infinite behind you, and there to show you the way and guide you through the whole process. Every question I had got answered, and it was really good. It was a good learning experience as well as investing.
Cool, awesome. I've got a curveball here for you. What was the funnest part of the experience?
The funnest part? Oh, it is a curveball. Probably getting to see my house being built. The final outcome was hang on, I started.
Yep.
The final outcome was the best part of the experience. Getting to see the house after it was built, and
because you actually went there in person, didn't you, mate?
Yeah, went in person, went up there, and got to see it. It was real, and it was awesome.
Yep. Cool. Awesome. Well done, mate.
Crazy. Geez, that was horrible.